we are here in case number 89PA0028, Carla Cart versus Timothy Riffel. Mr. Riffel's here today and proceeding without counsel. Ms. Cart is also here today and proceeding without counsel. And the Child Support Enforcement Agency is represented by Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Nick Buckmeyer. We're here for the purpose of a purge hearing that arises from the October 9th, 2007 agreed judgment entry of contempt. Mr. Buckmeyer.
Thank you, Your Honor. This court ordered Mr. Riffel to pay $204.62 in current child support per month, plus an additional $50 per month towards his arrears, plus a 2% processing fee during the purge period. The total of that being $259.71 per month. The total due during the entire purge period is $1,038.84. Up until today, Mr. Riffel paid $600 even, and he provided me with a receipt in which he paid an additional $200 for a total of $800 paid.
And this was not by wage withholding?
I don't believe so.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, what is the total arrearage in this case?
Total arrearage, Your Honor, is $17,150.48.
Okay, Mr. Riffel, could you please rise and raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes.
Okay, be seated, please. What's the problem?
Well, I work construction and things have been slow. I mean, I got some jobs in the process right now. One guy hasn't paid me. He owes me quite a bit of money, and I got work scheduled. You know, the weather's just been bad, and I haven't been able to work. I put septic systems in, and the county health department doesn't allow me to put them in right now. All I can put in is the tanks. I got 4 jobs lined up for when the weather breaks. I can put the leach lines in, and you know, I'll pay. I mean, I've been trying to pay a little bit. When I get money, I pay. You know.
I mean, the problem is that you're pretty well behind, and when the money's not coming in regularly, it's hard to depend on it.
Right.
Can you understand that?
Right. Well, I'm hoping when the weather breaks, you know, I've been an operator all my life, heavy equipment operator, and I'm going to try and get with a good company when the weather breaks, and that way that it's, you know, they can take it out. I mean, in the past, I had a job where they were taking it out, and the guy went, you know, retired.
So you don't have any prospects right now of getting wage withholding set up?
No, I've got jobs on my own.
Okay. Did you want to say anything, Ms. Cart?
I really just would like him to be a little bit consistent, you know. I mean, this is a big year for Nick. He's getting ready to graduate. Last year was a big year, you know, and it would be nice if someone would help me a little bit, you know. I mean, I have car insurance, I have car repairs and stuff, and I pay for all this stuff. I have gas money, you know, and Nick's graduating this year. And it would be nice if it would be a little bit consistent so I can depend on it, you know. And I mean, Nick's been driving since he was 15 and a half. I have to pay car insurance on this kid, you know. He doesn't realize this. I'm paying this for the last, what, 2.5 years.
So what I'm hearing you say is that even if he can't make the full payment, if at least something came in all the time.
Something would be better than nothing.
Yeah, I think what I'm going to do, Mr. Riffel, I mean, you made more than half of what you needed to do, but the problem is consistency. You know, she needs to be able to rely on some money coming in all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this another, let's give it another 90 days. And what I expect to see from you is, even if you can't make the full payment, I want to see regular payments. You know, if you get money, you know, talking about every week, every 2 weeks, something coming in.
Well, Your Honor, that's just it. I mean, I might not be able to get it every 2 weeks, but I know at least once a month I can get it because the jobs I got.
Once a month would work.
I mean, you know, they don't pay me. I don't get paid every week till I get the job done, you know, so I try, and that's why it's been, you know, staggering like that, because when I get paid, then I pay it, you know.
But, you know, maybe you're going to have to find a way to pace yourself so that something's coming in.
Right.
Okay, so I'm going to give it another 3 months, and I'm going to specifically ask that the payments come in regularly. Okay, so while it's nice, I mean, we're not going to turn down money. It's nice if you can pull it in at the end. It would be even nicer, if, even if it's not the full amount, see that you're trying and something's coming in every month. Okay? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thanks.